To install the Rixson Model 91 overhead concealed closer, you'll need a Phillips head driver, Allen wrench, tape measure, framing square, and a level. We're installing the 91 closer on a metal door and frame. Our door is hung using Rixson 3/4 inch offset pivots. It's important to first be sure the doors and frames have been templated correctly. Verify that the frame is square using a carpenter square. Check the gaps between the door and frame. They should be approximately 1/16 of an inch at the jamb and the header. Confirm all the dimensions of the cutouts using the supplied templates. Install the closer in the reinforced frame using the mounting screws provided. The mounting plate should be flush with the frame rabbet. Check the position of the arm. It should rest at 15 degrees away from the door side of the closer mounting plate. Next, slide the track assembly components into the track. All track assembly components must be placed in the track before installing the track in the door. The stop block should be mounted towards the hinge side of the track. The longer end of the slider should be pointed toward the hinge end of the track. Install the track in the door using the screws provided. For hold-open models, the hold-open assembly is used instead of the stop block. The slider on the arm connects with the hold-open assembly when the door is opened to the desired degree. Using the adjusting screw at the back side of the hold-open assembly, the force to pull the door closed can be increased or decreased to suit the conditions. Next, with a 1/8 inch hex wrench, completely tighten the latch and sweep adjustments by turning the screws clockwise. With the door open to approximately 45 degrees, rotate the arm over to the door. Align the slider square with the arm square and connect the two using the 1/4 20 by 3/4 inch flathead hex machine screw. Adjust the stop to the desired position and tighten. The spring adjustment from the factory is set at its lowest level. Adjust as necessary. Use a 3/8 hex key to adjust the closing force. To increase the force, turn the hex clockwise. After the closing force has been set high enough to close the door, adjust the sweep, latch, and back check valves. Holes in the mounting plate provide access to the adjustment valve using a 1/8 hex wrench. After the closer is installed and all adjustments are complete, install the removable stop.